Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to allow people with your email address call you on Google Meet. They have your email address. How can they call you? Now, in case they don't have your phone number, what you do is that you open up the Google Meets app. Now it is open. You click on the three lines at the top left corner over here. It opens up three options, which is the privacy and meet option, settings option, and help and feedback. You click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, you're going to have three options: calling settings, meeting settings, and blocked user settings. Next, you're going to click on calling settings. And here you have four options: calling account, in-call settings, message settings, and notification settings. Choose the calling account settings. This opens up options for you like phone number change, Google account. The option we're looking for, which is the option to let people call you with your email address, it is turned on for me. But if yours looks like this, if it's also turned off, all you have to do is turn it on. And to let people call you, people that have your email address will be able to call you. Now, in case you do not want to give them that access, what you do is you turn it off. Now, this means that you'll be removed from all groups that use your email address. Are you sure about this? If you're not sure, you can click on cancel. But if you're sure, you want to be removed from all groups that use your email address and you don't want those with your email address to be able to call you, then confirm your decision by clicking on turn off, and that is it. It's so simple to turn on and turn off the option that allows people with your email address to call you on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.